Hi guys and welcome to Capturca Prot when polygons meet desire. My name is Hikko and today I'll show you how to create the basic geometry for a 5 or 6 segment wheel rim. One of our viewers asked us to explain how to create the basic geometry for a 5 segment wheel rim. In this video I'll cover the theory behind it. By the way, we already have a wheel rim tutorial, you can check it in the upper tip. I picked a few simple references from my favorite skill wheels. You'll find the link in the description. First, let's create a circle for a standard 6-segment wheel rim. This part is pretty obvious. We'll use an even number of vertices, but there is one important detail. Inside each segment we need an odd numbers of vertices, so let's work out the formula. 6 vertices will define the axis of our pattern segment, plus any odd number of internal vertices. For example, 11 per segment, that give us 6 plus 66 or 72 vertices for the entire circle. Here is another example, 6 plus 30, where we use 5 vertices per segment for a low poly model, give us 36 vertices in total. So, the final formula for calculating the number of vertices is 6 multiplied by x, where x is any odd number of vertices per segment, 5, 7, 11, and so on plus another 6. So, 6 multiplied by x plus 6. But what if the wheel rim consists of 5 segments? Our 36 vertices no longer work. We just need to modify the formula slightly. 5 represents our segment. We multiply that by an odd number of vertices per segment. Then add another 5 for the pattern axis. So the formula is 5 multiplied by x plus 5. If we use 5 vertices per segment, we get 30 vertices for the circle. If we use 11 vertices, we get 60. The same principle applied if we need 5 bolt holes. Let's create an 80 vertex circle and scale it to the required size. Then we'll create some additional faces to help us center it. Select all the vertices of circle, press G then B. Select the side vertex, choose the axis and align them. Next, we'll give it some volume and use a boolean modifier to create the geometry of the wheel rim. Clean up the geometry and extrude it inward. Then add shade smooth and subdivision surface modifier. We hope this tutorial of how to create the basic geometry for 5 and 6 segments wheel rims was useful. Thanks for your watching and for your comments, subscription and likes. They help us grow the channel and keep making useful content for you. See you next time!